Welcome to our channel. If you are locked out of websites on Safari and cannot log into your accounts, follow these quick steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Open Safari on your Mac or iPhone and navigate to the website where you are experiencing login issues. Step 2. Check if your username and password are correct by verifying them with a password manager or another device. Step 3. Clear Safari's cookies and cache by going to Safari menu, selecting Preferences, then Privacy, and clicking Manage Website Data. Step 4. Search for the website causing the lockout, select it, and click Remove to delete stored cookies. Step 5. On iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down to Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data to remove all cached data. Step 6. Disable any Safari extensions that might interfere with login processes. Go to Safari Preferences, click Extensions, and disable all extensions temporarily. Step 7. Try logging in using a private browsing window to rule out issues with stored data. Go to File and select New Private Window. Step 8. If the lockout persists, visit the website's support page to reset your password or contact customer service. Step 9. Ensure your Safari is updated to the latest version by checking the App Store or System Preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.